Okay guys, got a Freightliner Cascadia here, DD15. I just barely changed the inlet knock sensor. I'm just going to show you where that is. We've got the passenger side fender off here with a T40 Torx. There was 4 on each step right here. And when you're looking for this knock sensor, it's just going to be this first one you see right here. And it's just going to wrap around, plug in right there. Got two 10mm bolts to hold it down. And then you can change this out with a 7/8 end wrench. Sometimes they're a little bit stuck in there and you can use some penetrating oil or something to get it out. But that's where it's at on a Freightliner Cascadia. They're all pretty much the same right there, I believe. And it's just that first one you see, that's the inlet knock sensor. And that's the location. So thanks for watching.